Hello, Rocketeers. Welcome back again to another review for today. We have been reviewing our attributes. And remember, attributes help me describe what something looks like, and it helps me sort it. Yesterday, we did height and we did length. And before we do today's attributes, I want to give out a huge shout out to a friend who actually submitted in her work and who actually taught her cat about height and length. So let's go ahead and see the work that she gave. Wow. This friend labeled longest, shortest, shorter, and taught her cat about it. And then she did height, short and tall, using objects from her home. Way to go to this gaucho friend. Now let's go ahead and we're going to start with today's lesson. We are going to be talking about width, and we're going to go ahead and talk about weight. Let's go ahead and start with weight. So remember, friends, weight is how heavy or light something is. Heavy or light. I know something is heavy because it's so hard to pick up. For example, this box of all these things, it's harder to pick up than this tissue. This tissue is so light. It's so easy to pick up. This box is heavy. It's harder to pick up. Heavier, light, heavier, light. I want you guys to help me sort heavy and light on the next page. So here I have a lot of objects I need to sort into heavy. Oh, it's too hard to pick up. And light. Oh, so easy to pick up. So let's see. An envelope and a car. An envelope and a car. Which one is heavier? Which one is heavier? I know I'm not strong enough to pick up a car. So, and I can pick up an envelope. So that must be lighter. Envelope, lighter. Car, heavier. Now, what about a fridge and a pair of scissors? Could I lift up a fridge easily? No. So that must be heavier. Whoop. Which means, can I pick up a pair of scissors easier? Yes. That must be lighter. So we have heavy and light. Heavy and light. Like a fridge, oof, too hard to pick up. And a pair of scissors, I can pick that up. The next attribute we're going to go ahead and review is width. And for width, I have a bottle or a can of condensed milk and a can of tomato paste. They are about the same height. So they're both about the same height. They're not tall, they're not short, they're just about the same height. But I know that with width is the distance around an object, around an object. So if I put my fingers around this, ooh, they don't really fit. But if I put my fingers around this, ooh, that must mean this is wider. It has more distance around. And this is narrow. It has less distance around. Wide and narrow. Wide, narrow. This one is wider than the tomato paste. The tomato paste is narrower than this one, than the condensed milk. You can also look around your house. For example, could I put my arms around a couch? Mm-mm. But maybe I could put my arms around a lamp. So then that must mean, let me think. That must mean a couch is wider than the lamp, and the lamp is narrower. I could put my arms around, just like yesterday. Sometimes we're not just going to have 2 items. Sometimes we're going to have more than 2. But remember, what I can do is I can label them from 1 to 3, or how many there are, to help me organize and sort them. So, what attribute could it be? It looks like they're all about the same height. Can't tell if it's weight, because I can't really, these are all heavy for me. So it looks like it must be width. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to label. I'm going to start with 1, so the narrowest house. This one is so narrow, I'm going to go ahead and put a 1. Now, the next one should not be the widest, but should not be the narrowest. Here we go. So I'm going to put a 2 next to it. And then, that's a silly 2. Which means this must be the widest house. So I'm going to label it with a 3. Now I organized my houses from narrowest to widest. Okay, Rocketeers, I know you can do the next part. I'm going to challenge you again, just like that Gaucho took that challenge. I'm going to challenge you today to teach somebody or something about width and about weight. And don't forget to come back and take your exit ticket. Also, if you do take the challenge, make sure you send it to me so that mom and dad, grandma, or your cat can get parent hours. Thank you. I will see you next time. I look forward to any questions or any submissions you guys do. Have a good one, friends.